don't know, y'all. Hey, y'all. So, I can't find any information on this wig, so I'm gonna make sure I leave everything below in the description bar. First of all, this is a lace frontal wig. I want to say this is between a 22 inch curly lace frontal wig. The lace on this wig is not transparent, it's not HD, it's not clear lace. Honestly, it's just a regular lace, and I say that because as you guys saw, the lace really didn't blend too well into my skin. I did have to go in and tint the lace with some Beauty Supply makeup foundation powder, which wasn't a problem, but I did have to go in and tint the lace to blend into my skin. I also will say this lace did not come pre-plucked, it did not come pre-bleached. However, I will say, even though this is a curly texture, and as you guys saw at the beginning, the hair can definitely get bigger and frizzy. A lot of the density was actually in the hair and not in the hairline. So when it came to plucking the hairline, I had no issues there. It was easy to pull the hair out of the lace. But I will say the hair did curl up pretty well. And honestly, like the wig is not bad at all. I just wish that the lace was a little bit better. But other than that, I really don't have any complaints. Now, this is no knock to the wig. This is just something that I did. I'm noticing that and you guys probably saw it too, but in the video I was brushing this side, so it took that poofiness away. And I noticed that on this side I didn't brush the hair down, or at least I don't remember. So yeah, I didn't brush this hair down, and I actually like this look better because it just looks a lot more fuller. The curl pattern is really pretty. I definitely feel like the texture of this curl pattern could be good for beginners. Now, sometimes when you do curly hair, especially if this is your first time, you don't want to get a curly wig or a curly hair texture that is too thick, too full, and requires a lot of your attention, such as it requires a lot of product, a lot of water to define the curls. You have to definitely section off the hair before you go to bed to make sure the hair isn't super tangled when you wake up in the morning or when you get ready to style your hair, because naturally curly hair is going to like lock in with each strand and it's going to become a little tangled. You know, this wig is fluffy and big in all the right places. Now, I did have to go in and cut the ends a little bit because it did become like a little stringy, and I think that just came from me like plucking the hairline and like pulling on the hair and stuff like that. So you may have to go in and cut and tweak just a little bit here and there just to make sure the ends look even. But as you guys can see, the hair is drying down pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about any type of frizziness. Now, I do feel like if you wanted to wear this wig in a straight texture, you definitely could do so, because my hot comb was pressing the hell out of this hairline on this wig. So it got the wig super flat at the top, so I don't think it would be an issue if you decided to flat iron this hair as well. But yeah, this is the look. Overall, good quality wig. A little bit of tweaking needs to be done here and there. I definitely think with the lace, it needs to be a little bit more tweaking. I feel like with this curl pattern being as beautiful as it is, I would have loved to seen this wig on a more upgraded lace. It just would have made the wig like great. But anyway, so yeah, this is the look. Again, I'll make sure I have everything below in the description bar because I'm not quite sure if I mentioned everything correctly in this video, but y'all already know. So thank you so much for clicking on today's video and supporting your girl. I will see you guys on the next video.